outside, smart inside. This is the only way we can describe Port X2, a portable, compact and a wireless concept offering convenience to the user in handling the X-ray anywhere. Being credited as India's only portable X-ray, it comes with user-friendly interface and high capacity of rechargeable battery. This makes it convenient to be used in various critical external examinations, multi-chair clinics and dental camps. Port X is compatible in smart operations with both IOPA Film and Radiovisiography sensor. It can utilize around 60 to 70 shots on film and 90 to 100 X-ray shots on sensor in one go, once the battery is fully recharged. The wireless format and lightweight contribute to its ultimate mobility. Its graphic LCD display provides easy access to various functions. Operating in a split-second time frame, its round-type beam limiting device ensures no scattering of radiations, thereby keeping the user and patient's safety from radiation with less exposure. Through Port X, the best of image quality can simply be acquired because it offers minimum noise ratio in X-ray capture. The equipment is coated with lead preventive, excessive exposure and dispersion of radiation. Comes with a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. The unit is reliable and allows easy in long-time outdoor usage. Equipped with patient and tooth selection mode, it allows the user to control the exposure time accordingly for the sensitive patient. After going through the product profile, I am sure one will say Port X2 is a small wonder with smart features, offering convenience to the user and safety and comfort to the patient.